Hey there VCE HHD students, my name's Andy, I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video, I'm going to look at answering the 2021 VCE HHD Exam, question number 9. Before we dive into question number 9, just a reminder at the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel, a new video like this one's coming out each day between now and the HHD exam this year. You can subscribe with the button in the bottom corner of the video there. Please let your HHD friends know they can do so too to get access to all of those videos. You can see our social media links there if you'd like to follow us to get alerts to new videos coming out each day, as well as HHD exam tips in the lead up to the HHD exam, and also our email if you've got any questions or suggestions videos you'd like me to work on. You can see here question 9 from the 2021 exam was worth 6 marks. It started with some stimulus material regarding climate change and some of the impacts of climate change. So you can see it talks about there, it continues to exacerbate the frequency and severity of natural disasters, and then names some of those, and it affects more than 39 million people in 2018. So A for 2 marks was asking you to describe environmental sustainability. And so remember, for 2 marks, I'd encourage students to write 2 clear points or 2 sentences. So something along the lines of environmental sustainability, referring to ensuring that the natural environment is used in ways that preserve resources for the future, and then perhaps an example of environmental sustainability. So it could be something like biodiversity, okay, or ensuring that people have ongoing access to things like clean water, okay, oxygen, etc. So there's different examples you could have given in relation to environmental sustainability. And then B for 4 marks was asking you to use the information above to analyze the impact of climate change on 2 dimensions of health and well-being. So the information above included examples such as things like floods, okay, droughts, wildfires, etc. So I would have just chosen 2 of those and written, okay, about how each of them could link to a dimension of health and well-being. So you can see here, relatively significant number of students either achieved 3 or 4 marks, okay, in this question, and they've given you an example there of a high scoring response. The first example focused on droughts and how farmers might not be able to grow their crops. So if they can't provide things like fruit and vegetables or wheat to sell and earn income, they could lower their self-esteem, which might have a negative impact on their mental health and well-being. The second example they gave was related to floods, meaning people might lose their homes, okay, and that could make them feel as though they don't belong, which could have a negative impact on spiritual health and well-being. So there's obviously quite a lot of examples you could have given related to climate change and how it could have impacted on different dimensions of health and well-being. So make sure you go back and have a look at that question and practice that in the lead up to the exam. Hopefully you found that useful. Just a reminder, Health Resources Hub YouTube channel, our social media links, and our email. Thanks so much.